What's up, everyone? This is Jay from the Crypto Art coming back to you one more time with another bullish cryptocurrency news for beginners in 2021. Before I get started, I just want to say that nothing I say in the video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please do your own research because there's a lot of risk involved when it comes to trading cryptocurrency. Now, today's news is all about mass adoption once again with a different cryptocurrency. Now, this project has been one of my go-to or like one sought after projects since last year when I found out about their sharding system. Okay, now if you guys don't know, Zilliqa is actually one of the first few blockchains to start with the whole sharding mechanism. And what that is basically in the way these cryptocurrencies are mined is that um, these computers work out these little algorithms and stuff, and they form a block with that once they solve it. So what sharding does is that it takes that block into like little tiny pieces, into tiny chunks, so that way um, the computer can mine it a little bit easier. You know, it's kind of like that saying, um, you gotta eat the elephant like one piece at a time or something like that. I'm not I'm not sure if that's actually a thing. I just made up just now, but you guys get the point, right? So yeah, sharding is basically one of those scalability solutions for enterprises like and other projects, and it will Zilliqa is definitely one of those platforms that also has smart contracts to really revolutionize the new economy. And before I get started, let me just check. Oop, there's the article for you guys, but let's check the Unholy Trinity first by Gregor Manarino. And if you guys have not watched Gregor Manarino's videos, this guy is a badass when it comes to understanding where the market is going, and he has given us more gifts by adding the Unholy Trinity in his website, such as the dollar index, crude oil price, as well as a 10-year yield. So let's take a look at this. So we have here the dollar index, the Dixie. It did take a hit, and that is definitely a good sign for the market as it will give more weaker dollars towards the market, which is going to prop it up. We have crude oil prices, which is heavily getting affected by that war that's happening in Israel right now. It is very unfortunate that many innocent people are dying. So, guys, definitely take a look at what's happening there and provide support as much as you can. But yes, the war in terms of the market does have positive effects for some reason. When crude oil prices go up, the market will naturally just go up because more money will just be pumped towards the market. And last is the 10-year yield, which is basically the number one indicator out there for traders. So as you can see, it's been at 1.6 range for quite some time. So you guys gotta look at the 10-year yield. So it's fairly stable. It is taking a hit right now, which is another good sign for the market. And yes, since it's Monday, I mean, Monday we're usually in the low, and then going towards Tuesday we usually go up. That's been most common pattern. However, for this week, do expect a lot of volatility, guys, because we do have backed. Their contracts are expiring this Thursday, and yes, they are in the business to help their clients make more money. So that means they will take your money. All right, and remember that's not financial advice. All right, so moving forward, the actual article here. So YouTubers Mr. Beast and KSI invest in Xcad network. Ooh. So let's see here. Xcad network, the YouTube focused tokenized social media influencer economy for content creators and their fans, is pleased to announce that it has secured Mr. Beast and KSI as investors. And if you guys don't know them, please do check out their channels as they are very popular YouTube influencers, and they have some pretty funny content in there as well. Now, imagine their following is going to know about Zilliqa because these guys are going to be talking about it. So just imagine millions and millions of people are looking into Zilliqa now. What do you think that's going to do to the price? Do you think that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know in the comment below. Anyways, moving forward, guys. With major YouTuber influencers backing the Xcad network, the next generation of content creators we will be able to monetize their content and share non-fungible tokens. Meanwhile, fans will be rewarded for engagement and viewing of content. Xcad network has recently raised 3.9 million to commence the development of its ecosystem, generating significant interest from the YouTube community and also expected to announce other big content creators backing the project next week. Ooh. So already guys with the Xcad network, not only are YouTube creator or content creators in YouTube able to earn more money, but also their viewers as well. So it's definitely a win-win situation for everyone, wouldn't you think? All right, so okay, so this is what the Oliver Bell guys said. When we started discussing our own vision for Xcad network with both Mr. Beast and KSI, they jumped at the chance to become part of the project. It's great to have such well-known and successful influencers backing us, and we look forward to working with them to build out our tokenized ecosystem globally. Xcad Network sees KSI and Mr. Beast's involvement as a huge endorsement of the project's ambition to drive real adoption of cryptocurrency and tokenization. And yes, guys, mass adoption is one of the biggest movements right now that's happening in the cryptocurrency world, especially with the whole Doge and Elon fiasco. Since the good majority of people still do not understand cryptocurrency or are what do you call are have the understanding on how to acquire it, these mass adoption plans to bring more people in is going to be one of their big challenges when it comes to any crypto projects out there. So having like famous influencers in YouTube will definitely um, leverage leverage their what do you call it, engagement, as well as the amount of customers they're going to get. Right? It may only make sense. And yes, this is a common marketing tactic by other companies as well. And personally, I have done this too for previous drop shipping ventures that I've had. I used to pay influencers to advertise my products, and yes, it has granted some what do you call it, return of investment, great return of investment. So if you're someone that has merchandise like products or services, do look into influencer marketing as might give you a little boost in your revenue. But remember, that's not financial advice. So, moving forward, existing and inspiring content creators while also building a stronger connection with their fans will see engagement greatly enhanced by the Xcad network's utility token called Xcad. And an NFT marketplace will provide one click creation of NFTs by content creators. NFTs will become an integral part of the ecosystem, allowing users to create unique memorabilia that people can buy and trade with one another. See, that's another thing you guys got to realize about NFTs, because not only is it digital art, but people are going to start trading it. And it's going to get to the point too where you can stake it. And yes, that is in the works. Not necessarily by Zilliqa, but by other blockchain companies. And also, there's this thing called smart NFT where you can actually talk to the NFT itself. It will have its own artificial intelligence embedded into its own system, and yes, you can communicate with it. I have seen this one example of Darth Vader NFT, and the user was basically communicating with it, and they were just having a conversation. I don't have that content on this video. I wish I could find the link, but do expect NFTs to grow way more from where it is now, guys, because it's definitely going to be one of the main things in the future, especially when it comes to real estate too. Yes, real estate is being tokenized and putting it into NFTs. And yeah, that's not financial advice. So Joel Morris, co-founder of Xcad Network and YouTuber with over 2.5 million subscribers, said this. the Xcad network will enable the greater engagement amongst YouTubers and their viewers, providing the ability to monetize activity via a tokenized economy that rewards users for engagement and viewer loyalty. Mass adoption is the end goal here. KSI and Mr. Beast investing is one giant step towards that goal. Yep. Leveraging other people's list is definitely a great time and money saving opportunity. Xcad Network will have a plugin for YouTube, yes, allowing content creators to tokenize themselves and earn rewards from their content while also enabling viewers to earn rewards from watching videos and engaging with the content. This is directly on YouTube and will not change their existing user flow. YouTube will become part of an ecosystem that will reward content creators according to various criteria such as subscriber size, view, and watch time. So one of the other blockchain projects that I recently did a video on is called Cardia Chain, and they are moving towards the entertainment. Oh, they are making moves in the entertainment industry as well, and are making similar moves. And also, if you guys don't have a Brave browser, I highly recommend that you guys download that as well, because what Brave browser does is that it rewards users with BAT token. Okay, and also it blocks certain ads, so you can definitely watch a lot of YouTube videos with a lot of the ads being taken out, and you gotta see it for yourself to experience it. And yes, you do earn some like money on the side, and I do use that money to like pool in on my main bags like XLM, XRP, and that's not financial advice. Anyways, Zilliqa, a 2 billion market cap project, which has recently been cited by Forbes as a leading project platform or blockchain platform that is helping drive the creator economy, has invested in Xcad and is building the entire blockchain technology side of this project. And yes, if you want more information on the Xcad network, just do visit that link right there, guys. It's not that hard to type in, so you don't need to click on it. Just type it in xacademytoken.com. So about Xcad network, X Academy is the first of its kind with a world first online and mobile monetization platform and NFT marketplace for YouTubers, using tokenization to help content creators and viewers earn more. With Xcad Network's ecosystem, there is the e-learning platform of which its content creators have an aggregate following of over 40 million followers. Xcad Network is a company incorporated in the British Virgin Islands. All right, so as you can see, guys, when it comes to not only entertainment, but they are also in the education niche, and that is definitely a good thing because, well, this is a new industry that we're moving into, which is the fourth industrial revolution. So, educate educating the people is definitely a must. Now, this new blockchain technology or technology in general, it doesn't really sit well with the older generation. So the main target in this case would be the younger generation, like the millennials and the generation, was it Z? I think that's what they're called, the newest ones. Anyways, the newest ones are so from the fourth Turing book are said to be the artist. So it really makes sense for all of these blockchain projects to be what I call catering towards the content creators as well as the what I call the education platform, because that just allows for better mass adoption, which will get more people into the blockchain more, and that is the main goal right now, guys. Not just with Zilliqa alone, but Doge and all these other dog coins that makes no sense that just came out of nowhere. Those are definitely used for mass adoption. So if you are into those, please do your research, as some of them are just pure speculations, pump and dumps, as you may call. And if you don't do your research, guys, you might be buying at the top, and then of course you get dumped on. I don't want you guys to lose money. I want you guys to gain money, okay? So when you look at any charts at all, make sure that you're looking at it. I mean, you're buying at a low. And you know what? Let's do that right now for Zilliqa. Oh yeah, guys, I also have a crypto arc channel in Discord. So if you guys want to join in, please join my Patreon and you will get access to all these things. And in one of my channels, I can have a bot that grants me the ability to pull out any chart, whether it's crypto or stock. Here it is. Let's take a look. Boom. Look at that. There's lots of up and downs. Very volatile, which is a good thing. If you're a trader out there, you will definitely make money. Okay, so as you can see, ZIL almost hit 26 cents, and then of course it retraced back. Now it's currently at around 16 cents or close to 17 cents. So based on that, I would say it's a great buying opportunity because you're not buying at a high, you're buying at a lower entry point. And remember, guys, that's not financial advice. So, what date is it? May 17th. So remember, if you're watching this at a later time, please do look at the chart and see where it is because it might be a different price by then. Okay. So, guys, if you do enjoy what you're listening to, like the content that I just read for you, because this is a reading rainbow moment right here, please press like and subscribe because it does help the channel as well as it helped me too. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any questions, comment below because I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day.